close friends and they live in Benin. Very close. As you can see, this is another video of them on a video call to let you know how close they are. Until one day, Tracy decided to kill.
Hey, my people, how now they also now they fine. Ha! Friendship, God abeg oh. This video na very dark man I do. As I see this video, I was shocked. I say make I bring her come for Namona see. Now make her some people anything where they call friend that they wrong. Because you not gonna know the finish. You not gonna know whether it's evil they heavy you. You not gonna know whether that friendship that real or something like that. According to this video, these two guys, they don't be friends for many years. So one of the friends, he can't introduce a man to this friend say this person say like you me not be my type if you go something like that. So they call the friend. So the other one, he with the friend, they see they do their own friendship, they go. Suddenly, this boy with this girl, they can't get misunderstanding. Okay? Now go here and everything for here. They can't get misunderstanding. So, the friendship, the boyfriend and girlfriend of 18, he can't they wave. So, the boy can't leave the girl. So, this girl will be say boyfriend leave. He can't like, now you will be my friend. Now you call son when my boyfriend leave me. Because of that one, my people. Hey. Una go here as it take come house because two of them they live together. Now they say na school they for hostel together. He said this girl, this your friend, you can't call another four friends coming house. She not notice say something is wrong. Because of say as if she can't enter and now the girl come they ask her, the girl come they tell her and say, now you call son when my boyfriend leave me. Now the other girl come say, I say call son. Not be me introduce you to the boy. I say concern if una get misunderstanding, not concern me. Even me with your boyfriend, we know they talk. Oh, the boy not be my type. Oh, even the time where I tell you say this boy with the I not collect at that time because not be person where be say I like to follow. Why you come be say nah, na me con concern. If una get issue, me una resolve am by una self. He said before she they talk this one, hot water don't pour for a body. Now wash out. Make I put this video. I don't want to make it too long, my people. Beware of people where they follow. They go and say, "Na my bestie, na my bestie." Because of chocolate or misunderstanding, it go just do you waiting. You go regret to even though say with that person say this one are your friend, this one are bestie, two bestie. Because of say you with your boyfriend not there, and now she introduced that boy to you. So you continue say nah, she can't cause her. Hey, voila, they say no, they finish. Please send me to love and like and share this video. Una bye for now. Me I put the video for now.
Alright, so you see this matter, they just brought it to me, and I cannot see it alone. I cannot see it alone. Now, you see these two girls on my screen. The one behind, her name is Rachel, and the one in front, her name is Tracy. Tracy and Rachel are very close friends, and they live in Benin. Very close. As you can see, this is another video of them on a video call to let you know how close they are. Until one day, Tracy decided to kill Rachel. Now, the video I'm about to play may contain some graphic images that some people may find disturbing or offensive. So viewer discretion is advised. Now, take a good look at the video. That is what Tracy did to Rachel. As you can see, Tracy decided to pour hot water on Rachel. She just poured out hot water like that. See Rachel before. See Rachel now. See all her body, right? They even had to admit her in the hospital. Now, it is crazy enough that this is so evil. But the reason why Tracy decided to do this to Rachel is even more evil. And I cannot understand why this would be a reason why you poured hot water on your friend. Attempted murder. But we'll come to that. But let me play the reason why she did it to Rachel.
Ma, good morning, ma. Ma, regarding this issue, it's happened on the 22nd of January. Me and the girl, we are actually in good terms. Like, we dey talk normally, we don't get any issue. So down on the 20th, I lost my great grandmother. So I normally we stay together, like a rented apartment close to the school. We pay our rent together. So when I got the information that I lost my grandma down on the 22nd, I now have to say, okay, let me quickly go home and pick my few things because I'll be going to the village. When I got to the house, like it was only her that was inside the house. And after that, I won't call carry my things so because my mom don already tell me say make I no dey stay that girl house again. Make I carry my things pack go hostel. Say she pay for hostel bill. Wetin make me go dey stay for rented apartment. Now I say okay, no problem. Since now new year 1 year enter, I'll just go rent. I'll just go hostel. So now your opportunity make I just go pack my things come as one school resume. I go school hostel. As I reached there that day, she did now outside of the house I foresee. Now she got tell me say make I wait. Say she want quickly go carry something. I could say okay, no problem. So they wait. I don't tire to they wait for outside. Now I could go sit down for one lady shop like 4 hours before house. I could go sit down for there. I not could even notice when they say pass the woman shop. So now the woman could tell me say people when they wait for they never still come. You know, go check. Maybe they don't use back pass. So now I could say okay, man carry make I help people man go there. As I go there, now only she before now I see for outside of us. So as I reach house again, I dey see extra 4 guests plus that's 5. So I still enter inside the house, carry my stuff. As I just reach the door, I'm gonna 2 room, my parlor. As I just reach the parlor side. Now I see say she don't lock door, put key for body. Now I say back they wait for me when one carry my things. Open door, make I go carry my things. Man, they go. As she say we want talk. Now I say what we want talk. We will not fit talk for phone ever since. She me and you they talk ever since now. I don't later they travel. Maybe if I come back for travel, the talk we go talk am. I bet open door. She say no, the talk we no fit talk am. Now cause okay, no problem now. Go tell back ma me they go. Or ma go tell back. I say no, if me come outside, I may go run. Now I say what I do you when me want run if I come outside. When my clothes deal with my clothes inside I say, oh yeah, you take money, go give back ma. Now she take go give back ma money. After that one happen, we come dey talk with the exchange word. They say Richard, now you make my boyfriend leave me. Now I say wetin concern me concern your boyfriend. The boy in question, now me carry you, now me carry the boy give you. So wetin go make you get in mind say I won't collect the boy. I know they do sling guys, like I don't date fair guys, and you know I get boyfriend. So what's it make you the thing saying that one not concerned and I me make the boy leave and I me make the boy leave and I say no, call your boyfriend, ask him. If me and I even they talk for phone, I not get a number. My number when it gets before I don't change SIM card. So no they blame me for all those nonsense. With the exchange word, never reach how many minutes. She can't work out come on for the remaining 4 guests day. I saw those 4 girls will see the tell her Richard, if now you really make the girl leave and talk now. Now say if now me see make the boyfriend leave her. What did they want no feel open my talk? When I no go kill me, when I no go do me anything. You make sure one of the girl named Aisha, they never ever reach 2 seconds as they all take step leg, come like signal, you signal the 4 of them. As they all take step left, come on for where I did, and so the water you take come for my body. When we carry the matter go police, I don't know that they don't bribe police. Police they do the matter, they know they do anything serious or the matter. Now police they beg me and say may we settle, may do the matter, may we settle. Now I say me no want settlement. Now police say I beg, come reach now. They no want to carry the matter, go court.
Did you guys listen to the reason why she poured hot water on a fellow human being? Let's not even go to the fact that they are friends. On a human being first. You poured somebody hot water. Then your reason is that she's the reason why your boyfriend left you. Not because you caught her sleeping with your boyfriend. Even at that, even if you catch her sleep with your boyfriend, you have no right. No justifiable reason why you pour hot water on a fellow human being. Because of a man. That's number 1. Number 2, Rachel is saying that the police are not doing anything because the girl seemed to have spoken with the police. So the police does not want to do anything. So attempted murder and the girl is walking freely. So as we speak now, Tracy is walking freely. But Tracy cannot walk freely. This matter is in the public now. Tracy cannot walk freely. We'll call the PRO of Edo State. I'll call the PRO of Edo State. And he has to look into this matter and give feedback to the public. If people keep on paying for the law to come in their favor, they go finish all of us for this country before we wake up one day. Person will just wake up one day out of anger, he go shoot everybody. But because of saying get people, he get the money to pay, or he get the connection, all those people don't buy no justice. And that's how you continue enabling non-entities, you continue enabling violent character in the society. Person pour another person water, that girl supposed to go down for jail first. Before they even start to they go court. That girl don't suppose to jail first because she's not mentally stable. She's not mentally stable. Because of a man, you say, man, leave you. You carry on water pour for person body. I don't want to talk something before they say very dark man, they encourage something for social media. But if I go talk Wetin dey, I cannot even encourage that. Let me just keep it quiet. But I'll speak to the PRO of Edo State and let's see how Rachel will get justice. Because this is wrong on all levels. It is wrong. And Tracy, you will learn.